I'm pretty excited today. I found this really great 2014 MacBook Pro. It's in rough shape. I'm gonna give it a fresh battery, a brand new NVMe SSD, so that it's twice as fast. And then I'm also gonna clean up the screen delamination. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, see that? It was a coating that was put on by Apple. You know, when it touches the keyboard with your finger oils on it, it takes the coating off. And it was supposed to be for anti-glare, but ultimately it makes it worse. I'm gonna use glass etching cream. It's the easiest way to get this stuff off, and it works like a charm. So I'm gonna get stuck in. I have a feeling the battery is swelling in this because the trackpad's a little sticky. The battery is completely dead. It won't even turn on unless it's hooked up to a power supply. You see this bowing up now? This battery is about to explode. Okay, well, it's filthy. Battery is definitely bulging. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause for a second and actually go clean this out because it is filthy in here.
2 seconds later.
Okay, so cleaned it up a little bit. 500 gigabyte SSD that I will be salvaging to put in another iMac later. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is take this heat pipe off and repaste the thermal paste. See all that dry, crusty? That is what a complete refurbish looks like. There's not much else I can do. Satisfying peel. One of the reasons there was so much dirt inside this machine is because the feet are missing, and this allows dust and grime and everything to get in. So I'm going to replace them. Wow, that's impressive. This thing was super slow, exponentially faster immediately.